Hey, how's it going? I just bought a Sparrows Competitor set here. Got it about last week or so, and thought I'd upload a video. Um, Comes with some great hooks here. You have a shorter hook here, very nice. I don't know if it's a little bit elongated right about here. I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's very, very good pick. I like it. I guess you know who Skylar Town is. He describes this pick as a deforested pick hook. I guess, right? I like it. It's awesome. You have these picks right here, and they're more pointed, I would say, and I guess I find them easier for, I guess the only pick locks I've been using are schlag locks at the moment, so I don't have anything really to show. Here you go, another one. Then we have Wiz Wazoo, I think. I mean, I don't know. Don't want to sound incorrect here, but love it. Love it. More like a snake, I would call it. Then you have your regular rake here. You can see it pretty good. And you have the shorter, I call this one McDonald's, you know, kind of like a logo. Perfect right here, and then you have your half diamond. And they're all very good. You know, they're all one piece of metal and pretty flexible, I would say. Really easy to pick with. I guess I can show you right here. Comes with a boatload of tension wrenches here. You know, love them. What can I say? We have a Wilson Bohanon padlock here. I don't know what dimensions, I guess, or series that they use at the moment. So here, let's go real quick. Easy enough. Easy to open. I'm sure they have serrated pins in here. It's not a can't take out the plug, but it's a great lock. I like it. Hopefully get some new ones in the future coming up soon. Let's see, what else can we use here? We use our rake here. Great little lock here. Yeah, that's all I got to show. So, thank you Sparrows for awesome picks. The ones I had before these were Southern 17 set, and they were good, I guess, but I like these a lot better. They're has a better